All right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their 45 watt super fast charger with a 5-foot cable. So let's open this up, show you what you get. Nothing else in the bag. So this is your included USB C-type 5-foot cable. It is C-type on both ends, as you can see. And then this is your 45 watt power brick. Super fast charging. Got your USB-C port here on the top, and this would charge up really a vast variety of different USB-C type products, from iPads. It could slow charge a MacBook, probably preferably why you're not using it, because they need like a 65 watt and this is only a 45, but it would still work. Of course, it would work with Pixels or any Samsung devices that are USB-C type. You'd get most of that 45 watts because I think a lot of them max out at 30 watts of charging. Definitely a good choice for somebody with a lot of USB-C products. Thanks again to the company for sending it to us. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.